Cyclone Fengal is fast approaching its landfall in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, and the public have been asked to remain indoors in many parts of southern India. The Tamil Nadu state is battling high tides and gusty winds, while public transport is suspended on the coastal roads between Chennai and Puducherry, with the region predicted to experience high tides and torrential rains. The Indian Navy, the Coast Guard and the NDRF are in standby for search and rescue as well as relief efforts. The cyclone is expected to make its landfall in the Tamil Nadu coast later tonight, and as of now close to 500 people have been accompanied in, 6 have been accommodated in 6 relief centers. The Indian Navy has also activated a comprehensive disaster response plan as Cyclone Fengal continues to intensify in the Bay of Bengal. The Regional Meteorological Center Chennai is maintaining a red weather alert for places such as Chennai, Talur Changala Padakeeper Vilupuram, Kikuchi Kadalur districts and Puducherry, whereas the Indian Weather Agency, the IMD, has also issued warnings to fishermen to not venture into the sea. Now the IMD has also issued danger warnings to Puducherry as well as the port city of Kalo, as heavy rainfall and strong winds have intensified ahead of Fengal's expected landfall. The Chennai airport has suspended its operations till 7:00 p.m., while Chennai MRTS services have also suspended their operations and fewer buses are plying on the roads.
An intense rainfall, more than 10 centimeters of rainfall has fallen, as a result of which several arterial roads and residential localities, their localized inundation and waterlogging that's taken place because of the intense rainfall over short duration of time. In addition to that, some roads in Chennai, along the coast, ECR East Coast Road and Old Mahabalipuram Road, which are by the coast, they've been closed for public transport. Going to the impending impact of the cyclone, public have been urged to not venture out unless extremely necessary. As far as the agencies go, the Indian Navy, the Indian Coast Guard, and the National Disaster Response Force, all these authorities are ready for any search and rescue that may be required, or later, even if there's relief and rehabilitation required, they're ready, posted at several locations. In fact, the Air and CS of the Navy and Coast Guard are ready to mobilize as and when there may be a requirement. As far as the landfall goes, landfall is expected later tonight, and that's when the maximum impact of the cyclone will be there, and almost for the next 24 hours there could be the impact of the cyclone, including rainfall and gusty winds. Thanks for watching this video.